Hey everyone, Erica with the K here. Today's video is going to be on Lee's Sugarwax Co. It's all natural sugar waxing. And so I'm basically going to walk you through exactly what I do to sugar wax. It is basically painless because it only attaches to the actual hair and it doesn't rip your skin. So these are my really hairy armpits. Very lovely. And then, yeah, I'm just really wanting you guys to see how hairy it actually is. The way your hair grows is super important when it comes to sugar waxing, but let's just get into actually opening up the jar. We're going to put that in the microwave for 15 seconds. You really don't need longer than that. The actual glass jar is going to be hot. So just be careful when you take it out. Make sure that you either, pat it down first to make sure you can grab it, or use like a dish towel to take it out. Then we're going to go in with the actual dusting powder. And we're going to put this on. This is very important. If you don't do this, the sugar wax will not adhere. So you really want to do this to remove any moisture. Then you want to test out the sugar wax on a piece of your skin that isn't super sensitive. So I did my wrist. Then you're going to go in the opposite direction that the hair grows. So my hair in this area grows up. So I went under it. So like basically I went in against the actual hair growth. So I'm going to show you two ways to remove the sugar wax. One is with a traditional strip. This is if you're used to like doing regular wax, you might opt for this, but the other way is much better. You also want to make sure that you rub. You see how many times I'm rubbing and rubbing and rubbing? This is really important in sugar wax because you want to get down to like the root of the hair. So you want to really rub it. And make sure that you get it. So once I'm done rubbing, I was really scared because I forgot how painless sugar waxing is. So yeah, I am going to show you guys the strips in this. So this is one of the strips. My underarms were very hairy, so I did have to do this multiple times, but it's so clean. So we're going to do it again. You see, I'm trying to feel which way the hair grows. And again, I'm going to go under the hair. The way I pull it off this time is I think it's the easiest way to sugar wax. So we're just going to go over that area multiple times. We're going to make sure that the skin is taut. How do you say that? Tight. You want to make sure it's tight. And then you're just going to actually use the applicator to rip that sugar wax right up. You could see from my face that it's painless. And then this looks like a ball sack. So I'm just going to say it looks like a ball sack. Ball sacks have rights over people who have uteruses, and that's the America we live in. So anyway, we're going to continue with this. I'm going to go in the opposite way that the hair is growing. Again, you're going to go underneath the hair. And for the remainder of this, I'm just going to pull using the little popsicle stick instead of using anything else. You want to really make sure that you smooth that out. You want that sugar to get in those pores. And then you're just going to pull up. Look how clean my underarm is looking already. This one doesn't really look like a ball sack, so I can't really say anything. But yeah, so there's a few hairs left, and I'm going to go in and get those. Again, opposite direction that the hair is growing in. Make sure you smooth it down multiple times. And then you're just going to pull it up. And here's the cool part. You can reuse this. I just reused it. So we're going to reuse it one more time because there's still like a hair under there. And it grew in a little bit of a different direction. I do have curly hair, so my hair grows like all different ways. But then there you go. And it just takes it right off. So you can reuse the wax, which is really cool too. And you can just use the applicator. So you're not like wasting strips and wasting money. So it's actually like pretty affordable. It's better for the environment and all that jazz. This is the end result. It takes all of like 5 minutes. I'm so happy. In case you forgot what it looked like before, that's what it looked like. And you could see my hair grows in all different directions. And then we're just going to put the oil on. Oh, my happy dance. And then we're just going to put this oil on. It's also from Lee's Sugarwax Co. And it just helps with any like irritation. It just smooths everything out. It's just really great. And yeah, there we go. One last time to show you guys what my armpits look like. This took all of like, I don't know, a few seconds. So I'm going to leave the links down below. Go check them out and I'll see you later. Bye.